Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this neon orange and green cut crease eye makeup look. So let's get started. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking this dark green shade from Morphe X jamescharles palette and covering my crease area. This light green shade over the dark shade. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, again enhancing the dark green shade. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, applying this yellow shade over the light green one. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, applying dark brown shade to my crease area. And combining it with the light green shade. Cutting half of my lid with the concealer. Taking this neon pigment powder, and this brush is from BH Cosmetics, and applying it to that area where I applied concealer before. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, blending my outer V with this light green shade and adding dark green too. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, smoking out my lower lash line with this brown shade. Applying highlighter to my brow bone. This is the complete look. I hope you will all like it. Give this video a like, share, and consider subscribing. Bye bye.